Let's talk about today's forecast. You can step outside. You understand it's warmer than typical. I mean, what are we looking at right now as far as like warmer than average?
Warmer than average right now. We're about 10 degrees warmer, but by this afternoon, Kara, 20 degrees warmer, and that's going to hold pretty steady the rest of the week. Wednesday morning, our temperatures are only going to start in the mid 60s, which would make it a record warm low temperature.
So now we're on record watch this week.
Yeah, we're on a few record watches, but not today. Today, 68 degrees right now at Fair Park. We're looking at a blue sky overhead. Here are your headlines. It does get close to record highs this week. I don't think we'll break any record high temperatures, but we may break record low temperatures. Now, the high temperatures just about every day will be within 5 degrees of record highs. Low rain chances don't come into play until late this weekend, and it is turning cooler next week. It happens as early as Sunday, and it carries on into next week. With that being said, the next several days are going to be warm. Right now it's 72 degrees at DFW Airport. Winds are out of the southwest, anywhere between 5 to 10. This afternoon, we'll see wind gusts closer to 25 miles per hour. That's the other thing about this week. We could see wind gusts getting close to 25, 30 miles per hour on certain days, and I'll show you which ones on the 14-day. But for today, 79 degrees expected around 1, 81 degrees. That'll be the high temperature between 3 and 5. Winds will be out of the southwest mainly. That's what's helping drive these temperatures up. That and the help of sunshine and, of course, the dry air that's in place. Right now, mountain cedar pollen is at a high. We just had rain last week, and then we had this drying out, and now we have this southwest wind. Southwest wind is going to carry pollen from the hill country into North Texas the next several days. Elm at a moderate, fungus at a low count. This afternoon, 81 degrees in Dallas, 80 in Fort Worth, mid 80s for our western counties. I wouldn't be surprised if some of our western counties we see a 90-degree day. And it's just because their air is drier, and drier air tends to warm up faster. No records today in DFW, but we get pretty close to it. The record is 84. Temperatures in the mid 70s for our eastern counties. Here's how the rest of the week plays out. We'll be hovering right around 80 degrees, at least through Thursday. On Tuesday, I do think we'll see a little cloud cover. We have this front that stalls just to our north. It's not going to bring us any cooler weather, but maybe shave off a couple of degrees because of the cloud cover. Our next front arrives Thursday into Friday, drops our highs from the low 80s to the mid 70s. Again, this is not going to be a strong front. We are still going to be trending warmer than normal through Friday. Our next stronger front arrives Saturday night into Sunday, and that one will help bring temperatures that are closer to the normal for this time of the year. Until then, our highs are going to be 20 degrees, give or take a few numbers, above what's considered normal. Sunday will be much closer to normal. Sunday also brings our next potential for rain. I don't think we'll see widespread rain. I don't think we'll see a lot of rain, but Sunday, and then we do see it again come back Tuesday into Wednesday, and it's because of a couple systems moving through. Any of that cold air does stay well to the north, but with that being said, the next several days are going to be warm. Next week, though, get prepared. We have highs that don't make it out of the 40s on Tuesday, so we'll notice the winter kind of sneaking back in just in time for the middle part of the month, Kara.
Thank you, Marielle.